So today we have here a 50 amp connector for 224 RV. And the reason this is a proper way to do it, you could buy connectors and adapters, but I wanted more professional, so we're gonna go ahead and install this 50 amp that we bought. You know, because I just wanted it to look better and it's more professional.
Including with the bag, a holder for the actual cable, and the actual connection that you're going to require to actually twist in there. Now, prior to setting this up, you need a professional to set this up as an electrician. Make sure you have the power off and make sure he has the proper tools and the setup. Now, you have to have the proper box on your junction box or you're going to burn your circuits. So just make sure you have the proper setup. Now, the connections are V50M. If you guys can see that, it has a pull method. So if you don't have the proper connection, they also have adapters for this. All right, check this out. This is the part that we're gonna have to screw in. We have power running to it right now. Now here's where you actually plug it in, and this thing is waterproof, so you could close it so you don't have to worry about any drain, any water coming in there and affecting the whole system. We do have our RV right behind us. That's what we're gonna plug it in our RV, and we ran the power to it. You are going to need a lot of voltage in here. Make sure you have the proper voltage before you start setting these up. I would consult a professional electrician to set this up.
Because you push it and you lock it, twist lock.
All right, so if you have your connection set up like we ran it right now, we have our connection running here on our board. This is for safety purposes. We're running, we plugged it in. It runs in the back, all the way to the back, and we're good. Now we have our RV section here. It's all plugged in and ready to go. So it's not very simple to set up. You have to have professionals help you out. So hope you guys enjoy the video.